Peace, YouTube subscribers and wrestling fans tuning in for these 2014 WWE Royal Rumble updates. Yes, we have Brock Lesnar going over on the Big Show. Yeah, this match didn't even start for a couple minutes as Brock Lesnar came down, attacked him before the bell. The announcers announced this about 10-15 times that the match hadn't started. Now, I've been watching wrestling for 30 years, and usually when both entrants are in the ring and there is contact, usually the bell instantaneously goes, but they held off, like I said, for about 2 minutes. Brock Lesnar attacked him, then got a chair passed to him from Paulie Dangerously, yes, Paul Heyman, and he went to town on the Big Show, attacking him for, a good 2 minutes straight. Now, they finally decided to ring the bell and start the match after the ref had decided to leave the ring, threatened to leave, and had come back in. Okay, the match didn't last very long. Brock Lesnar, once the bell rang, ran across the apron to attack the Big Show with this chair that he had in his hand. But the Big Show got a nice stiff, shot right on the jaw, dropping Brock Lesnar. Slow to get to his feet was the Big Show, but he eventually rolled Brock Lesnar out of the ring. Now, he pinned him against the barricade, gave him a couple shots, rolled him in the ring. Brock Lesnar turned it around, and what did we get, everybody? We got an F5 and a 1-2-3 victory. Was there ever any doubt, everybody? And it speaks multitudes towards Brock Lesnar and says a lot about him. Coming into this match, fighting the world's largest athlete, there wasn't too many people out there that didn't predict, didn't think, or didn't see Brock Lesnar going over here, and that's exactly what happened. Yes, the Beast, former UFC champion, former WWF champion, Brock Lesnar goes over here. Now, the match is over. He's gotten the victory. Congratulations to each and every one of you that had predicted a win from Brock Lesnar. Yeah, and that's what we got. Now, he's slowly, methodically moving into the ring. Oh, yes, with that chair. And he smashes the chair, giving that chair shot flat smack dab in the center of the Big Show's back. Now, the Big Show's laying down like a little, I don't want to say anything, but anyway. Yeah, he's getting repeated chair shots. We get a third shot. Now, the Big Show, he plops out of the ring, rolling off the apron, and Brock Lesnar follows him. He's still got the chair in hand, and he gives him a shot on the butt. Now, he's going to get more shots? Yes, a shoulder shot. Is this done? Is this done? Looks like he's going to walk away. No, he changes his mind, gives him another shot on the ass. Well, the crowd is dead silent during this. Oh, another chair shot. You know, it's unfortunate that they don't have the see-through barricades like other wrestling companies. These big black wooded padded topped barricades, it really obstructs the view for people that are anything back from the front row. Comment below, let me know if you've thought that at least some point in your mind watching WWE wrestling. Now, we're still getting chair shots. Woo! We're probably at about 8 or 9 right now as Paul Heyman has that sinister psychotic look, and he's egging this on as this beatdown with the chair continues. Yeah, we're probably at about 10, maybe 11 shots right now as Brock Lesnar has that cold, driven, focused, one direction look on his face. No mercy, no remorse. Bam, we get another shot. How long is this going to go on for, everybody? Oh, and the chair just broke. You know the top part of the chair that's welded onto these metal chairs? Yeah, that just broke off. So Brock Lesnar's... Did he grab a different chair, or is this the same chair? It'd be kind of dangerous to continue hitting him with a broken chair. No, that's a new chair, everybody. They've replaced it. I've never seen that happen. I've seen them bend, I've seen them twist, I've seen them hang, but I've never seen them completely clean break like that before. So, anyway, in a nutshell, is there blood dripping from the Big Show's head? Yes, there is, everybody. We got blood. Now, was it intentional? Who knows? Wow. Yeah, we got about 15 chair shots. We got some blood. Brock Lesnar grabs another chair. Are we going to get more chair shots? Yes, we got more chair shots, everybody. Another one. We're like at 17 now. 18, 19, 20. They're definitely writing the show off of TV for a little while here. Now Brock Lesnar frisbees the chair over the top rope into the center of the ring, and it looks like he's done. He gives the Big Show that cold stare, that alpha stare. Yeah, you've been beaten, to within an inch of your life. Wow. So anyway, everybody, this is my reaction video. Brock Lesnar versus The Big Show. And this turn of events was very entertaining, very believable, and definitely a sign from Triple H that a little bit more rougher style of wrestling may be coming to your TV screens very soon. So yeah, comment below. Thanks for tuning in, each and every one of you. 5,200 plus knowledgeable, passionate wrestling fans supporting this credible channel. Because I'm a knowledgeable, passionate wrestling fan, I know each and every one of you guys are knowledgeable, passionate wrestling fans too. That's why I do what I do. For each and every one of you guys, tried, tested, and true. Yeah, and it won't stop, because we're all in this for one thing, wrestling. Thanks for supporting the channel. Hit that like button, hit the share button, hit that subscribe button if you just find the channel. And yeah, thank you for your support, everybody. Wrestling is back, everybody. Peace. We're all in this for one thing, wrestling.